you wash your little hoagie? That joint finally looking type decent. How do you feel like your 1-2 bits finally went down? Is running hoagie?
Oh, dog, you know, beating the life out of that bitch.
Yeah, like you do. You be doing your thug this out.
Cause I'm about to go ahead and deal with this. So look, come on. Y'all see how that mess.
You stripping it down all the way? You gonna take it to buddy? Ew! Why you ain't rinse me off, bro?
Bro, the other side clean. Look.
No.
Oh God, I swear.
Why you ain't rinse me off?
I rinsed everybody off how they was up on the gate.
Whatever side it was on, that's what it's purpose of today's video. We getting Wayne's bike back all that right. I don't know if y'all remember in my last video, it just won't get in the power band. Oh, that bit ain't got no power. Yeah. This like it ain't getting in the band. It might be the head, reeds.
It might be H-O-G-I-E.
Hoagie. Damn. Well, he got himself a top end, you know the regular top end stuff. I'm really thinking about taking the plastics off. Not the plastics, but the graphic kit. This is the only reason why I don't want to take them off though.
But it ain't no other big ass nigga on no 125, bro.
I'm big.
You tall as shit. Like that shit little.
What's little? Oh, I think something about beef.
Yo, sweet, bro.
The only reason why I don't want to take the plastics off, bro. This is black, blue. I got black and blue everywhere. You go white fucking fork. Like, come on, bro. Fork covers, bro. What is that? That's the only reason why I don't want to take it off. It's gonna look so doinky.
Just leave that only.
What? This is my fork card?
To take the pictures off. Hold on.
It might be type decent. It might be decent, gang. I ain't gonna lie. No. We were thinking about getting some John boats. So just imagine like us just racing down the lake. We racing down the lake on the John boats, man, going crazy. Try something different, bro. Some go-kart, something. What you think? Like the one that sit low to the ground.
Shifter carts like the Seaboys got.
If you get a new Moto, all you
God,
gotta
I'm
do is
gonna slap that hug in that bit.
Damn, I'm gonna go YZ car.
That big gonna ever run.
YZ. Forgive me for being out for so long. My leg is feeling good. It's like 85%, 90. Make sure y'all please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all new. It's gonna be a good day today, man. I want y'all to let me know down below. Do you guys miss the street and the lot content? Willy vibes. Do y'all still want us to stick to the more of the dirt content? Or do you want us to go back to the Willy content for a little bit? Let me know down below.
Listen, I'm insecure and I can admit it. Cause I don't play quarterback, but traumatized by my past bitches. Could've bought your PF5, but instead you play with my feelings. You bait me in with a real, and I thought your ass was the realest. I'm posted up on the block and you think I'm posted with bitches. You text me saying you leaving, I text back, go do your big one. I thought I was a good corner, I damn sure know how to pick 'em. Now my heart just like your new nigga, both broken, you can't fix 'em. I never say I'm sorry.
Take a lunch. I got I'm trying to get the ball. Right here. Where's that? Right.
Bingo! Oh yeah, gotta boss it. Make sure I don't hit my hand on the fucking peg. Think she ready? Oh, she's coming right out. Ho. You gotta wash it.
You gotta wash it.
Can't lose the washer. You ready?
Yeah, good. I mean, I have been casing though.
Come on, that's that real grown man right there, nigga. Can't lose the washer.
Wash.
Can't lose the washer.
Girl, man,
Hold up, this that right hand. Alright, bro. Man on that guy. All that casing, man. You wanna take it all the way off or leave it like that? Okay. Oh!
I'm so happy my phone.
Oh my god! Oh my god! That shit been finished, nigga. Look at that unicycle.
It's so hard to carry that bit twisted around. That bit twisted around, dude.
Right?
Go ahead. Fuck, bro. Go ahead.
What you mean? You ready?
That nigga so
shit.
He so
So now we finna get the bikes cleaned up, get my joint washed off, make her get back looking A1. I'm also gonna wash Wayne's subframe so we get that thing powder coated. She's looking a little icky, but we're gonna get the job done, bring her back to life. Definitely need some new front tires. My dog in here having a rough time. You good?
I'm trying to be goddamn. I don't know what size socket this bitch take. What the fuck?
Please don't be my hoes, don't tear me apart. I don't know how it starts, trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again, I am delicate. Please don't be my hoe.
Well, ain't that bad. I thought it was gonna be worse than that, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that shit nasty. I never told y'all when I flipped, my kill switch broke at the same time, so. Can you go grab my OEM kill switch for me, please?
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yo, putting in work.
What's wrong with it?
What's wrong with it?
Yeah.
You're not fucking.
You're not working
doing
on it.
Yeah.
You're not working on it. I love when you just take over. Pause.
Just pull up on that bit and pull it.
Ah, okay. No. I gotta take out my radiator. Nah, bro. Fuck. Bro, there's no way I gotta take out my whole fucking radiator, bro, just to put a kill switch on, bro.
Take no radiators out, sir.
Bro, on the four-wheeler, the shit is right there in the front. Like, all you gotta do is take the front plastic off, plug it in, plug it out. That's it. Everything on the dirt bike is so stupid, bro, besides putting gas in that bitch, bro. Shit dumb. Hey, bro, she for sale, bro.
That's because you gotta put a kill switch on that bitch.
Imagine us, like, routing this bitch up and it don't even work. Oh, come on, let's do it. Let's get it. Already the wrong bit, bro. God, please, bro.
Look, you gotta drain it, cool it, man.
I don't think I gotta do all that, bro. Hear me out. I really think I can just unloosen the bolts and let it hang for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gotta do all that shit you was doing, gang. That shit good. Ain't no point taking a whole radio just to put a kill switch on, bro. You can do some type of finessing on that bitch, bro. Yo, W Scott in the building, man. This guy back here just laughing and shit.
I just took my whole bike apart. I was
bro.
slanging wrench, bro. Make Leek do it. You doing good, son.
Y'all really been doing this shit, bro.
You got straight Powerade in that shit.
That blue raspberry.
When you got enough money and shit like that, bro, go get you some blue Powerade. You put some in there, you be good. Then if you get thirsty, like while you out there riding, you just stick a straw down the radiator.
All this to do a kill switch is kind of crazy.
There we go.
There you go.
There you go.
Oh, there you go.
Go get your ass
Hey, good shit,
over
boy.
here.
Fuck.
Once you stuff it in there, once you stuff it back on in, it shouldn't.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie, you a little freak, man.
Let it go.
Would you stuff it in there?
That's what I say to her, man.
Damn, now we gotta put this shit back together, bro.
I'm glad you do.
Gotta stuff it in there like my boy said. I don't need your help, fool. I'm good.
Oh, okay. Hold on, let me put it back how it was.
Nah, watch
Where it
out,
was
bro.
wrong again.
Watch out. You good, bro?
What are you even doing?
I'm trying to move the clamp, bro.
Come on, bro. Push that
I'm trying to
bitch.
get that bitch right back on there. You, feel
You
me?
gotta loosen it up some more. Tighten it, bro.
Bro, you're on that side.
That's what I'm saying. Come over here.
Thank
I'm
you,
recording,
Scott.
bro.
Thank you, W. Scott, bro.
It does not take 3 people to tighten one screw, bro.
You could took 2, yo. That's over there bullshit.
I'm over here being a professional cameraman, bro.
That fucking time, you right? They finally coming off, man. Oh my.
I'm gonna pack of Skittles.
That shit not crispy.
Cause that's where all the dirt been getting in that nigga. It's the
Fuck.
most unsmooth, unsatisfying peeling I've ever seen.
It don't make it no better that this shit wet, bro. Okay. No, it's crispy.
It look like they put a kit on some brand new plastics.
That bitch should come off, right?
That bitch come out, right?
It's you. Them whole crispy as fuck.
That's the last piece, man.
Nah, we still got the number plates in there.
Damn. That motherfucker is on there.
There we go. Bro, I already loosened it up for you, fam. I'm gonna give it a whole new look. Make it look real good. Make it look real nice, man.
You gonna do it just like mine was.
It's gonna look better. Hey, if I put the gas tank back on, I'm gonna catch on a little bit.
Don't tear me apart. I don't know how it starts. Trust me, I've been broken before. Don't break me again. I am delicate.
We officially done, bro. I like it. I ain't gonna lie. The only thing, that's kind of killing me. You know what I'm saying? I I got the Prestos.
It look good, bro.
Hey, look, way back. I ain't gonna lie. I should have been did this shit. Hey, man, if y'all enjoy the content, make sure y'all please subscribe.
Next weekend, though, we outside on the 5,000.
Thank you,
for
bro.
sure.
Don't ask around my zoo.
No Willie, dog.
Don't ask around my zoo.
I'll stay on the KTU.
You gonna be right on this zoo. Watch this. Hey, man, I love y'all. We out of here. Please like the video, man.